Bonjour! Welcome back to my channel. I'm the Thrifty Native and this is part 2 of my huge 200-pound Thredup bulk unboxing. So I want to jump right into this before my son wakes up. So let's get started. Alright, right away I see a new tag. Target Wild Fable top. This is a size small. I will just keep this. So that is mine. Okay, here we have I don't know what that tag is, that logo. I don't know, I don't know, but they feel nice. Champions. This is Target. I will send that back into Thredup. I have a box already started. I send things back in. Here's Daniel Rain. Just a sheer blouse, size small. I'll send that back in. I do the partner kits and then they send me a gift card and I spend that on their website. I know some other people try to get cash for their gift cards, but they take a certain percentage out of it, so I'd rather have the whole amount. What was this? Faded Glory. Yeah, extra large. Walmart. Going back to Thredup. Self-Esteem. This is size small. Going back to Thredup. Okay. We have Tory Burch. Wow, this is so heavy. This is a sleeveless zip up vest sweater. What size is this? This is small. Nice. I don't see anything wrong with it. So yet. There it does say Tory Burch there. A little bit of pilling, but it's nothing a sweater shaver can't fix. 100% merino wool. Awesome. I will sell that. Merona, size large. Blazer. I might try that on. I have been on the hunt for an oversized blazer. Diesel, size large. I've sold diesel men before, but I've never sold a woman's top or anything diesel woman. So, and this said it was wool, so I will sell that. Gian Pure, 100% cotton, size large. Cable knit mock neck sweater. What is this? Lisa Basil? No, Lisa Basil. And I'm not a fan. I don't like it at all. But I will look it up, see if it's worth reselling. Another Monotoe. I will send that back to Thredup. What is this? Ooh, Sparrow. This is Anthropology. Little open front, short sleeve cardigan. I have a sparkly sweater, I think. Don't know what this is. I don't see anything. I don't see a tag. Not a tag to be seen. Oh, here we go. Louisa Blau. It looks like another little Asian brand here. So, going back to Thredup. Okay, what are these? Ooh, Dickies. Okay. I will sell these. These are very, like, I think Y2K. These are 3 or 26 flex worker skinny. Okay, these are definitely not Y2K, but I will look these up, see if it's worth my time. Uniqlo. This is a size small. Ooh, I might keep this. I like this color, but maybe it's too matchy match. I don't know. I'll sell it. Oh my god, what is this? Alright, I think I'm gonna toss this. No. Dang Goodman. Why does this look like it's worth something? I feel like I've heard of this brand or something. I don't know. But it's a pretty interesting little cardigan thing. Let's see if I can show it. Ugh, so sorry. I'm so horrible at this, but it has like lace detailing all over. Oh, it's a zip up. Okay. With a lace hood. extra, extra, extra large dress. Going back to Thredup. I don't know. Ooh, we have outdoor voices. Okay. Little cropped tank. This is size small. I will definitely sell this. Wild Fable, size medium. Cute little ribbed tier ruffle dress. Oh, this is like an old tag. No boundaries. Size 7-9. Ooh, I think I'm gonna sell this. Sorry, you could probably hear my son now. He's awake. Andre Oliver. No idea, but this is a nice little gold shimmery dress. I will look that up. It feels like it's nice quality. Got a furry little vest here. Fur inlay. Is this reversible? Oh, here we go. Weatherproof. Large. So here we have a nasty little shirt. Wish list. Size small. I don't know. This just looks dingy to me. I don't think this brand is anything. So Japna. I've seen this before. It's a long printed dress. Probably just send this back. Exhilaration, size medium. This is a little dress, maxi, maybe, midi, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, undecided. Ooh, a Sherpa line jean jacket. This is Old Navy. Size large. Ooh, I like this. This is nice. Okay. I will sell this. Definitely sell this. I don't know, I don't see a tag anywhere. Oh, tag, where are you? Nothing on the zipper, but it does look like it's missing something, so. Divided, H&M, jacket, size small. Hooded, Brandy Melville, top, crop top. Okay, then we have for Forever Woman. This looks like a plus size dress, but it doesn't have a tag, I mean a size, because it rubbed off. I'm assuming this is Forever 21. Abound, extra small, which I think is sold at Nordstrom. This is cute. I think I'll sell that. Gap, extra small, a little plaid button-up. Classic. Probably send that back in though. Ooh, wow. This is definitely a vintage Banana Republic. You see that tag? It's a cotton linen blend. Size small. Whoa. Alright. I'll sell this. I like it. Apartment 9, extra small. Black cardigan, going back to Thredup. Forever 21, size small, crop. Crop top. Another Forever 21 tank. Going back to Thredup. Candies, size small. Going back to Thredup. Universal thread, size small. This looks like it's brand new, and I think I'll keep this for myself. 100% silk, Sophisticates by Jonathan Martin. I do like selling silk blouses. This has like a striped texture. Divided, size 10. It's going back to Thredup. Via extra large. Running shorts, it looks like. I'll sell those, I think. We have Ginger G. Not sure about this because there is no size, unless it's on the inner tag here. It's going back to Thredup. It says it's large. What are you? I don't know. There is no size. There is no tag. Rendez Va? Paris? I don't know if you can see that, but it says it's a size 4. Black shirt. I gotta look that up. Forever 21 plus 1 extra large. Going back to Thredup. Okay, I see some Free People. The Charm. This is size small. White top. Candies, another one. Ugh, it's just a different color. Going back. Nimble. Never heard of that. I have to look that up, and it looks promising. Their career skirt. Petite Sophisticate. That is going back to the World Poker Tour. You know what? I'm gonna sell this. This is funny. It says nice pair on the front. Impressions. Petite, medium. I feel like I've worn this before when I was younger. Forever 21. Size medium. Okay, and Focus Woman 18 wide. Going back, Willie Smith. Size small. Oh, 8. Wide leg trouser, but those are going back. This feels like cheap. There's nothing in there. So, Kmart Women's 2X retailed for $22. Basic editions. It's a fun little chambray dress. Maybe. Loft, extra small. Little floral print, not floral, feather print. Extra small. Swing tank. Japna dress. It's going back. MNG size 8, which is mango. Little lattice trim fit and flare dress. Old Navy extra small. Plaid button up. I'll probably send that back. Maternity skinny pants. These are a size 12, 31. I'll sell these. These are like a corduroy. Which I don't mind selling maternity. And actually, the Target maternity stuff is actually my favorite. Extra small, but what are these? I don't know. It just says extra small. What is this? I don't know. Oh, here we go. It's a hood. That was a hood. It is a sweater or zip up. It says AIX, which I think is Armani Exchange. That's going back. I'm not. No, not M. A monogram N. Medium. Going back. Cattle, size small. I think I'll keep this for myself. I just really like these kinds of. Nope, I'm not. I'm gonna. What was that? Extra small, Old Navy. Striped top. Anther edition. This is pretty. It's like embroidered little flare sleeve dress. This is really cute, actually. Nice to meet you. It's not nice to meet you. Oh my god, what is this? Is this underwear? Size small. I'm scared. What if this is underwear? Okay, no, it's not. I don't even know. Ooh, we have a North Face zip up jacket. What size? Medium. It's like a brown. I'll sell that. I don't know. It's chopped out. Mine. Little daisy applique tank crop. This is so bright. Forever 21. Oh, this is hurting my eyeballs. Almost done, almost done. We have Daphne Paris. Little skinny light wash jeans. BDG, Urban Outfitters. Little pull on sweatpant. The stripe down the sides. These are so small. Yeah. I will sell these. Ooh, I like this brand. Hey Hey or Hee Hee, which is Anthropology. This is a really cute little zip-up jacket. Size small. That's so cute. Nintendo, size large? Is this for kids? That is so cute though. I think I'll keep that. Sports bras. Coyote. I think I'll keep that. Forever 21. Alright, last item is, I don't know. I don't know what this is, but I'll send it back to Thredup. Alright, well that was the end of box number 2. I have not been keeping track of how much items I have received so far, so I will have to review these videos and count that way. This was an okay box. I think I liked my first one a little more, but no, actually I think I liked this one better because I did get outdoor voices, some Anthropology, some trendier pieces, so yeah, overall I'm pleased. All right, I'll see you on part 3 of this huge unboxing. Bye, my pea.